The Jamaica Teachers Association rejected the government's latest wage offer at a delegates conference held at the Wilmers Boys School this morning. It's the latest in the ongoing wage negotiations, and as TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports, the teachers are getting impatient.
The Jamaica Teachers Association delegates who came from across the country were in no joking mode on Saturday as they discussed the government's wage offer. The conference got underway sometime after 10 and lasted about 3 hours. After the deliberations, 352 delegates voted on the wage offer.
313 delegates voted to reject the offer.
The delegates argued that the government's offer is an insult. Chief among the issues, the government's 4-year bargaining period.
We must revert to our regular 2 years cycle. No 4 years, and we must get an increase on our allowances that affects the teachers across the board.
The regular classroom teacher must benefit more from whatever document you are going to submit.
So now that the delegates have spoken, the JTA is expected to write to the government. The teachers are demanding a speedy response.
And we are not going to wait very long, because we are saying it's time for us to let the people of Jamaica understand and send from us. We're starting from the east to the west, and we are serious about this. The lawyers did it the other day, and we want them to understand that we are serious. It is action time, and I say, with the support of all of us, we must shut it down.
We caught up with JTA President Georgia Richards after the conference.
The teachers have spoken. They've spoken loud and clear. We serve the teachers of Jamaica. We operate based on their mandate, and so we have no choice but to move forward on the mandate of the teachers of Jamaica.
What's next if the teachers don't get a favorable response from the government?
Well, you would have seen, as I said to you, that JTA is a democratic organization. We do not take decisions in isolation. And so what is going to be next? The teachers are going to come together again, and the teachers will speak.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.